Hi guys, in this video, we will learn everything about variables. A variable is a name that you use to store a value. For example, x equals 10. X is the name of variable and 10 is its value. Now whenever you use x, Python knows it means 10. But why do we use variables? Because instead of writing the value again and again, we store it once in a variable and use the name. For example, see this program, we give value 250 to a variable named price. Now instead of writing 250 again and again, we store it once in variable price and using again and again. Hope so, you understand this. Not just numbers like 250, variables can store many types of values. Like numbers, text, true or false, and can be decimal. A variable is like a box. The box has a label, its name, and inside the box is some value. If you change the value, like x equals 10 and x equals 20, now the box still has the name x, but the inside value changed to 20. So we can say, a variable lets you store data with a name, so you can use or change it later. You know, we used x in previous example, as a name of a variable, but we have some rules to name a variable. Think of it like a baby's name, that must follow some rules, so same with variables, we have some rules. Rule 1, name of a variable cannot start with a number, so we can use x equals 10, not 1x equals 10. Rule 2, name can only contain letters, numbers, underscore. Like I can use underscore, not dash. Rule 3, spaces are not allowed. Like I cannot add a space, instead, write like this or this. Rule 4, no special characters are allowed. You cannot assign name like this, just underscore is allowed. Rule 5, variable names are case sensitive. Like age and age, are different. Rule 6, variable name cannot be a keyword. Don't worry my dears, we will learn keywords soon. So, we have covered almost everything in variables. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok for practice challenges. Also tell me in comments, did I explain easy? See you soon my dears, bye.